Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. I'm going to begin a new series, a new playlist on focusing on each of my plants I grow. Berries, herbs, fruit trees, and in between, one after another. And I'm going to teach you how I grew it. I'm going to tell you what I have done to it. I'm going to tell you what pests I've noticed, what temperatures it doesn't like. Does it like the shade? Does it like more sun? Does it like part shade? Does it like both or all? What plants have worked for me? What plants haven't? What plants that even aren't here anymore because I removed them, and I'll tell you why I removed them or why they died and why I chose not to replant them, to show you my plant selection journey. So there's going to be a long playlist because I have a lot of plants. So let's get going with it. It's going to be a lot of fun. Happy gardening, everyone. See you on the next video.
Okay, like, share, subscribe, and